Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has presented the 2024 budget proposal before the State House of Assembly. While presenting the 480.994 billion naira budget, christened Budget of Sustainable and Shared Prosperity, Governor Diri assured the lawmakers that it will be effectively implemented to improve the quality of life in the state.
Governor Diri recently presented before the Bayelsa State House of Assembly a budget proposal of about 481 billion naira for the 2024 fiscal year. The budget proposal provides 154.96 billion naira for recurrent expenditures, representing 32.04% of the entire estimates, and earmarks 257.78 billion naira for capital expenditures, which amount to 53.59% of anticipated government spending in the year 2024. Specific objectives of the budget are to increase indigenous participation in the ownership and management of businesses in the states, and to continue to provide quality and skilled manpower training facilities in the state-owned educational institutions. Governor Diri, who assured the state legislators that the 2024 budget would promote ease of doing business and create a conducive atmosphere for private businesses to thrive, described it as a true reflection of the aspirations of the generality of people working and doing business in Bayelsa State.
I trust that your expeditious approval and subsequent oversight of the implementation of this budget will bring greater dividends of democracy to our people and to our states.
Earlier, Speaker of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Abraham Ngobere, who commended Governor Diri for his people-centered policies, programs and projects, observed that the prosperity government had impacted positively on the lives of Bayelsans in all aspects of governance in the last 4 years. Right Honorable Ngobere told the governor to count on the Bayelsa State House of Assembly for support as he journeys through the next 4 years in office.
We will always work with you, strike compromise on issues of national and state interest and issues that will benefit our people. There is no saying of a rubber stamp. If we are to do a good thing to improve the living standard of our people, people may call it a different name, we don't care. But we are certainly behind you for having this good intention for our people.
Governor Diri, while thanking the honorable members for their massive support, which was instrumental to his landslide victory in the November 11, 2023 governorship election, said his second term will witness a consolidation of policies, programs and projects designed to promote peace, security, and the welfare of the people.
Inside the Niger Delta,